Meet the Beats Studio Pro, the headphones that redefine premium sound. With custom acoustic drivers and support for lossless audio via USB-C, you don't just hear music, you experience it as it was meant to be. Unlike many competitors, the Studio Pro integrates fully with both Apple and Android devices, offering one-touch pairing, Find My support, and fast switching between devices. The advanced active noise cancelling uses real-time adaptive filters, blocking out background noise more effectively than previous models. But here's something most people don't know. The transparency mode is tuned to keep voices crystal clear, so you can have conversations without taking the headphones off. With up to 40 hours of battery life, or 24 hours with ANC on, these headphones are built for all-day listening. And just a 10-minute fast fuel charge gives you up to 4 hours of playtime. The build quality also stands out, engineered with upgraded memory foam ear cushions and a durable yet lightweight frame designed for comfort on long sessions. If you want studio-level sound, all-day comfort, and smart features that work seamlessly across devices, the Beats Studio Pro is the upgrade you've been waiting for.